On November 2008, Mumbai was hit by a series of coordinated terrorist attacks by Lashkar-e-Taiba, resulting in 166 dead and over 300 injuries. That 16 hard ended on 29 November 2008 with the NSD neutralizing the terrorist. Thank you. Mumbai attack. The 26/11 attack was attacked on happened on 26 November 2008 in Mumbai. It was a very sad and frightening day for India. The group of 10 terrorists entered Mumbai by sea. More than 160 people were injured, harmed, and hundreds were injured. Many brave policemen, commandos, and soldiers sacrificed their lives. The 26/11 day will always be remembered as a black day in our Indian history and tribute to our heroes. Mumbai attack. In Mumbai terrorist attack 2008, many attacks were carried out by 10 militants based on Islamic fundamentalist group named Lashkar-e-Taiba in Mumbai, India. The group targeted busy and high-profile locations such as hotels, Jewish public centers, etc. Between 26 November to 29 November in 2008, 9 of the terrorists were captured by police and one named Ajmal Amir was executed in 2012. Thank you.
Attack was a deadly terrorist attack on India. It happened on 26 November 2008. The attack was carried out by the terrorists of Lashkar-e-Taiba. All the terrorists entered Mumbai. You will see using a boat. The mainly target the Taj Hotel and Oberoi Hotel and CST station. The attack continued for 60 hours. In this attack, 166 people were killed and 300 were injured. In security force killed 9 out of the 10 terrorists. One terrorist, Ajmal Khan, was caught alive. The captured terrorist was hanged on 2012.
The 2008 attack, it is also referred to as 26/11 Mumbai attack, were a series of 12 coordinates of Islamic organization. Attack took place from 26 November to 29 November, carried out by the Islamic organization Lashkar-e-Taiba, a Pakistani group.
Mumbai attack. The 2008 Mumbai attack is referred to as the 2008 26 November. It is a 12-coordinate series of Islamic terrorists which took place on 26 November to 29. This is the organization of Lashkar-e-Taiba group from Pakistan. In this, 175 people died, including Pakistan terrorists, and more than 100 people died.
The 2008 Mumbai attack, also referred to as the 26/11 attack, was a series of coordination Islamist terrorist attack that took place from November 26 to 29 and were carried out by 10 members of Lashkar-e-Taiba, a Pakistan-based Islamist terrorist organization. A total of 175 people dead, including 9 of the attackers with than 300 injured.
2008 Mumbai attack, also referred to 26/11 attack, as a series of 12 coordinated Islamist terrorist attack that took place from November 26 to 29 and were carried out by the 10 members of a Pakistan
based Islamist terrorists organized a total of 175 people are dead, include attack and men dead and 9 are injured. Thank you.
Mumbai attack. The 2008 Mumbai attack also are referred to as the 26/11 attack, where a series of 12 coordinated Islamist terrorist attacks that took place from November 6 to 12 and were carried out by 10 number of Lashkar-e-Taiba Pakistan-based Islamist terrorist organization. A total of 175 people died, including 9 of the attackers, with then 300 injured. Thank you.
The 26th November attack was a really terrorist attack on India. It is happened on 26th November 2008. The all terrorists are entered in Mumbai by sea using boat. About 60 hours. The attack is continuous.
The 26/11 attack of deadly terrorist attack on India. The happened 26th November 2008. The attack on carried by 10 tourists. All the tourists entered by
the sea route.